doing today. We have a pumpkin and some rubber bands. I'll give you like 2 seconds. Today, we are going to explode a pumpkin using rubber bands, okay? Do you have any like pumpkin puns?
Well, if you hurt a pumpkin, what do you put on it?
Pumpkin aid?
Close.
What is it?
A pumpkin patch.
What do you call a pumpkin that ate too much food? A plumpkin.
Oh, okay.
Safety is number 2 priority. So you gotta get your goggles on because you never know if the pumpkin will explode and hit your eyes and you will die. First, rubber band. Here we go.
Oh my god, they're gonna
Into
die.
the series, I've done exploding fruit series. I exploded a watermelon. I exploded a pineapple. A durian.
Okay, this is freaky right now. I don't know what I'm doing.
A jackfruit. And a pumpkin. The pumpkin exploded that much. Like right now, it doesn't seem scary.
Okay, let's just stop the video, okay, right now.